Hello everyone, welcome to Shifting Gears and this is the 2024 Mahindra XUV 3XO. ये एक sub 4 meter compact SUV है which is going to rival the likes of the Tata Nexon and Hyundai Venue. लेकिन इसमें फीचर्स इतने ज़्यादा है that it can also give a tough fight to the likes of the Hyundai Creta. इस वीडियो में हम वेरी क्विकली बात करेंगे इस गाड़ी के चेंजेस और फीचर्स के बारे में. There is going to be a detailed review coming out very soon. So this video is going to be pretty short. सामने से जब आप इस XUV 3XO को देख लेते हो, it is very different compared to the XUV 300 which was already on sale. This looks very different from the front end. आप देख सकते हो बॉनेट पे आपको काफ़ी prominent bulge lines, crease lines दिए गए हैं. So it tries to highlight that it is more muscular, more macho, more powerful. सामने आप देख लीजिए, you have this new Mahindra Twin Peaks logo and it is in a different shade. This is in a glossy trim और आपको chrome elements भी यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे. Then the major change is this headlamp setup. आपको ये जो हेडलैम्प क्लस्टर दिया गया है, दिस इज रिसेस्ड इनसाइड दिस बम्पर एंड दिस बॉनेट एरिया. सो आई एम होपिंग दैट दिस इज प्रोटेक्टेड इन द लॉन्ग रन. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द लाइट सिग्नेचर्स, चेक दिस आउट. आपको एलईडी डीआरएल्स दिए गए हैं एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव एलईडी टर्न इंडिकेटर्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव अ प्रोजेक्टर हेडलैम्प यूनिट. नीचे आप देख लीजिए बॉडी क्लैडिंग एंड यू हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ दैट बॉडी क्लैडिंग. इस गाड़ी के साथ बाय द वे आपको लेवल 2 ADAS फीचर्स मिलने वाले हैं विच इज गोइंग टू बी class defining, segment defining. नीचे on the side profile you will notice that इस XUV 3XO के साथ आपको मिलते हैं 17-inch के wheels and you are noticing that these are getting MRF tires, dual tone finish, machine cut finish, plenty of body cladding all around. This is a Mahindra of course and they like to highlight that their cars are rough road friendly, off road friendly और उसके वजह से ये body cladding जो है it is going to protect the paint of your XUV 3XO when you go off the road or on rough terrain. Ground clearance also looks healthy and as you can notice there is plenty of area over here and everything is protected with that plastic cladding. Over here on the side profile you will notice that you have this element in a gloss shade, so it is going to give you that floating roof kind of an effect. A pillar bhi gloss black effect में आपको दिया गया है. The B pillar has a blackout tape. The roof rail has glossy treatment और यहाँ पे आपको ये 3D textured element भी दिखाई देंगे. You have a shark fin antenna, but then on the roof, what is important is that ये गाड़ी आपको ऑफर करती है a panoramic sunroof, which is not available on any other car in the market. Then you will notice that the tail lamp unit is a connected piece, and this is how it looks when you activate the turn indicators. Let me also very quickly switch on the tail lamps. This is how it looks. Full connected setup. XUV 3XO की branding यहाँ पे and then you will notice you also have a spoiler with some aero elements over here for aerodynamic efficiency. Lower down bumper जो है वो काफ़ी wide है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा plastic cladding है यहाँ पे. You will notice you have your reverse camera over here in the number plate garnish area. You have reflectors over here. This is not an active fog lamp and then you have that skid plate effect as well. Now let us talk about the interiors of this Mahindra XUV 3XO. This, as you know, is a 5-seater SUV. लेकिन ये इस गाड़ी का top of the line variant नहीं है. You can tell that by the look of the seat. Fabric seats, top end पे आपको leatherette seat covers मिलने वाले हैं. Now, when you look at the interior cabin, this is very new. This is very different. आपको एक बड़ा color display, high definition touchscreen infotainment दिया गया है. You have hard plastic over here, but then you are going to have some different elements on the top of the line variant. यहाँ पे आपको gloss black elements दिखाई देंगे. You by the way get dual zone climate control in this vehicle. आपको एक wireless charging pad भी यहाँ पे दिया गया है. And then you have regular cabin lights inside. The steering wheel has gloss black elements. और यहाँ पे इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको एक full digital speedometer cluster दिया गया है. Let me very quickly show that to you. So this also looks very nice. All the information is very easy to read and you have your standard controls over here. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको ESP के बहुत ज़्यादा फीचर्स मिलने वाले हैं. And also let me very quickly show you the camera. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको 360 degree कैमरा सपोर्ट मिलने वाला है. On the top trims it is not available on this particular variant. 2 cup holders. This is your gear stick. This is the manual variant of course. And then just have a look at the seats. Nice texture to it, nice color, contrast stitching भी आपको दिखाई देगी. And then on this particular variant we don't have the panoramic sunroof. So for my height, there is plenty of room available in this cabin, and the seat is height adjustable. So this is looking like a very, very good car, and I'm going to drive it tomorrow. So I'm very excited to tell you how it feels from behind the wheel. Let me very quickly jump in the back seat and show you how much space is available over there. I have adjusted the driver seat to my height. And once I get in the back, check this out, fantastic legroom that is available, decent foot room, decent thigh support, rear AC vents, and you get a type C charger. आपको एक 12 वोल्ट चार्जिंग पॉइंट भी यहाँ पे दिया गया है, and there is ample headroom that is available. तीनों ही rear passengers के लिए आपको adjustable headrest मिलते हैं, आपको 2 cup holders यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, and this fabric seat cover is looking very, very nice for a car of this segment. This kind of a seat finish is very good, and it feels well supportive as well. Speaking of the boot, this is the amount of boot space that is available. अभी भी यहाँ पे कोई पार्सल ट्रे नहीं दिया गया है, so I wish that is on offer at least as an accessory. But this is the amount of boot space. लोडिंग बे थोड़ा हाई है, तो ये लिप बहुत रेज्ड है, तो आपको सामान उठा के यहाँ पे रखना होगा. But then it is what it is. This is what the XUV 3XO is offering in a nutshell. आपको दूसरा वेरिएंट दिखाने की मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. This is the red color. Then you will notice that is a nice looking blue, and then you have that gold finish as well on this XUV 3XO. This, by the way, is the top of the line variant. This is the AX7L. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, you have a panoramic sunroof, and then inside you will notice आपको leather upholstery मिलती है. And then look around at the console. Here you have an electric park brake. This is the automatic variant, and you have contrast stitching on the dashboard as well. And this, by the way, is your panoramic sunroof for this XUV 3XO. इस तरह से it opens up and moves behind. So these are all the features which you are getting with this XUV 3XO, and I think it is quite feature loaded. Do stay tuned to Shifting Gears for a very, very detailed drive review, a review about the exterior design, about the interior cabin, and also a fantastic drive review in the most detailed fashion. आपकी क्या राय है इस Mahindra XUV 3XO के बारे में? Let me know in the comments below. I will see you soon in another video. Always drive safe, always buckle up, wear your seat belts.